Okay, so we got this situation, co-normal points. So what does this means? It means it is a point is inside the parabola. Okay, so you have a point inside the parabola. From that point we can draw three normals. Okay, so suppose we have this parabola y square equals 4ax. So suppose we have this point h comma k. Okay, so from this point you can drop three normals. So this point, I'm talking about this point, this point is co-normal point. Okay, I hope you guys are comfortable with co-normal points. Now look at this, there are some situations like right now I have told you guys a condition for co-normal things. So it is y equals to mx minus 2am minus am cube, correct? Now look at this, you know that this is the equation of normal and your normal should pass through h comma k. So this means this equation should satisfy this condition h comma k. So can I write k hm minus 2am minus am cube. Now can I ask everyone to come on same side? So we will have am cube and then I'll write 0 m square and then plus I'll go with 2a minus h m plus k. So don't you think that we got biquadratic in m, correct? So a m cube m square m, so we got biquadratic in m, correct? Sorry, biquadratic nahi, it's cubic. So we got cubic in m, so we will have three values of m. Now try to understand this part. Can you please tell me the sum of zeros? M1, you know there are three zeros, so M1 plus M2 plus M3. So you know that sum of zeros is minus of B by A, so minus 0, so it will become 0. Now I'll talk about sum taken 2 at a time. M1 M2 plus M2 M3 plus M1 M3, so it is C by A, so 2A minus H by A. Okay, I hope till this part you guys are comfortable. Now product of zeros, m1 m2 m3, so it is minus of d by a, so minus of k by a. So I hope these 3 points are clear to you guys. Okay, now the point is, look, you know that we are dealing with cubic polynomial, correct? So we will have three roots, but you cannot be super sure that all three roots will be real only. Okay, so there is a condition when we will have three real normals. Okay, so we have to understand that condition. So the question is, when we will have three real normals. Okay, so look at this. Suppose that you are interested in three real normals. Now look at this. can I say that m1 square plus m2 square plus m3 square will be greater than 0? Why I am saying this? Because I want three real normal, means I want three different normals. Okay, if all three normal will become same, so it will become perfect cube na. So this thing and this thing and this thing will become same. Okay, so square of that, you know that it is 0 to infinity. So this thing will become 0, this thing will become 0, this thing will become 0. Okay, so like it will become what? m1 equals to m2 equals to m3. Okay, so we will have only one line. Okay, only one equation of normal, but we are interested in three different normals, so slope should be different. Okay, now look at this. So can I say that if they are different, so its sum of squares will be greater than 0? Correct or wrong? Correct. So can I break this thing as like it is a square plus b square plus c square? So can I write m1 plus m2 plus m3 whole square minus 2 times ab bc ac? Okay, it should be greater than 0. Now do you know this thing? This is sum of zeros. So who is sum of 0? It is 0. So 0 square is 0. Now minus of 2 times, do you know this thing? It is like, look at this part. So can I write 2a minus h by 2? Okay, now look at this 2 gone. Now can I write h minus 2a will be greater than 0? Correct. Now can I write h should be greater than 2a or 2a should be smaller than h? Batao. Okay, now look at this. Now try to understand what I am trying to say. Suppose that you have a parabola y square equals to 4ax. Okay, 4ax. So you will have a parabola which will look like this. So you know that a will be this, a comma 0. Okay, so if it is a, you are interested in 2a. So 2a will be somewhere here. Okay, so after this point, if you will take any point in this area, okay, so if you will consider any point in this area, from those points you can drop two tangents, means sorry, three normals. Okay, if you will come inside this room, you will end up drawing only one real normal. The remaining two normals will become imaginary. Okay, so h means what? H is x coordinate. So suppose that your parabola is y square is equal to 4x. So who is a? A is 1. So if you will consider a point which is greater than 2, whose x coordinate is greater than 2. So if I'll go with 3 by 3 comma 5, 3 comma 7, 3 comma like 9 comma 20. So these points here x coordinate, look at this. So it is greater than 2 times. Okay, so from these points you will drop down three real normals. I hope till this part you guys are okay. Also look at this part. Like if there is a chance that we will have three real normal, so you have to memorize this condition as well, that their sum of slopes will be equal to 0. Okay, suppose that I am telling you we will have three normals. So slope of first line is 2, slope of second line is 3. So you have to conclude that slope of third line will be minus of 5. Okay, only under this condition you will have three real normal. Okay, so I want you guys to go through this part at least twice and be super slow while understanding the concepts. Okay, later when we will solve the illustrations, no, you will enjoy a lot. Okay, I hope the concept is clear now. Okay.